You have a steady paycheck from your 9-to-5 job, and that's great. But deep down, you know you've always wanted more. More money, more freedom, more flexibility. And you finally decide it's time to take action. In this video, we're going to share 5 ideas for generating passive income online while keeping your full-time job so you can finally get more than you've ever dreamed of. And if you stick around until the end, we'll reveal our favorite source of income and also explain how you can combine all these incomes together. Before we begin, let's define what passive income is. Passive income is money you earn that doesn't require you to do a lot of active work to keep earning it. In fact, you can do most of the work up front and put in a little extra effort to keep the income coming in. For example, if you create an online course, all you have to do is update the content to keep the money flowing. You've probably heard the phrase making money while you sleep. It's the biggest draw for people to earn passive income. You can create something, a blog, course, ebook, videos, or online store that generates money even when you're not working. Or you can make passive income investments, property, or stock that allow you to earn money passively. And the opposite, active income, is the money generated by all that effort you're currently doing, and you have to keep working to keep earning income. If you stop working, you don't get paid. Your time is literally money. Whereas passive income is income that doesn't require you to actively work, and the money keeps coming in for years and years. If you are looking to design a dream life where you are financially free, it may be best for you to focus on passive income. Remember, even if you are able to create a passive income stream with a small investment, the work required is no less than someone who invests their time in active work. Now that we've covered what passive income is, here are 5 sources of passive income to try today. Passive income source number 1. Make sponsored posts on Instagram. Most people use Instagram to fill their time, while others use it to generate passive income every day. The great thing about Instagram is that you can literally create fan pages for absolutely anything. Whether you love travel, fashion, beauty, home decor, or something really special like dog food, you can always find an engaged audience. The secret to getting a ton of Instagram followers is to be super consistent with the type of content you post. So make sure you stick to one niche so that your followers can count on you to provide more content. To grow your Instagram page, simply reach out to pages in the same niche as you and ask them for a partnership to boost your Instagram page. In your Instagram bio, make sure to add your email address. As your Instagram account starts to grow, so will the requests for sponsored posts, which will help you earn money on Instagram. The more engagement on Instagram your posts get, the more people will contact you, so make sure you create engaging content. Passive income source 2. Create a print-on-demand store. E-commerce is one of the most popular ways to earn passive income online, so it makes sense to highlight print-on-demand. Indeed, print-on-demand allows you to sell your custom graphics on products, such as t-shirts, clothing, mugs, canvas, phone cases, bags, etc. The advantage is that you can create your own branded products without having any product inventory at home, i.e., when a customer buys from your store, the supplier receives the order information and sends the product to the end customer. Once the product is created, all you have to do is generate visibility for your products and start generating passive sales. If you are talented and creative, you can create the design yourself or simply go to sites like Fiverr or 5euros.com to get unique designs at very affordable prices. The difference with dropshipping, which is doing the same thing but delivering the customer from China, is that print-on-demand products are often stocked in Europe, which means that your customers will receive their products quickly. So don't hesitate to get started now with Shopify. Passive income source number 3. Doing affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best passive income opportunities available today. The advantage is that almost every major brand has an affiliate program, which allows you to sell very popular products and earn money passively. The only real drawback is that you only get a commission on the sale. Some programs, like Shopify's affiliate program, allow you to earn up to 50 euros per referral, which is not bad. Other online companies only give a measly $5 to $10 bonus per referral. You also have other platforms like Amazon or ClickBank that also allow you to earn commissions on sales. All you have to do is select a product and start driving visibility to it. So you need to make sure you do some research on the best affiliate marketing programs before you get started. Passive income source number 4. Selling digital products. Ebooks exploded onto the scene in 2009 and 2010 and are still an extremely popular content medium. Even though they became popular a few years ago, there are still a good chunk of people today who earn passive income by writing ebooks. Of course, it's an incredibly competitive market. All you have to do is transcribe your skills into ebook format, or have it written on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. What's great about digital products like trainings or ebooks is that you have margins up to 90% since you don't have manufacturing cost, delivery cost compared to e-commerce, and you can simply create it once you generate passive sales. The hardest thing is not to create, but to generate visibility to sell these ebooks. Passive income source number 5. Create a YouTube channel. Now, YouTube is our favorite source of passive income because not only do YouTube's passive payouts almost never stop, but it also has other passive income sources on its own. First, you have sponsored videos with ad revenue, which YouTube pays out to its content creators. You will find you can make a recurring income from your YouTube channel. But you can also do paid partnerships, where you get paid to promote products and services. This is also a source of visibility that allows you to sell your own products and services. You can do affiliate marketing as we mentioned before. You can also sell your ebooks and physical products if you do e-commerce. In fact, YouTube can become your real ecosystem that will allow you to combine several sources of passive income. For example, on one of our brands on YouTube, we have passive income coming from YouTube every month. You can see that we make regular days of $150 up to $300 per day in passive income. And what is good with YouTube is that 70% of these incomes come from the videos we published a few months ago. In addition, we do paid partnerships too, because since we have a lot of visibility thanks to YouTube, companies ask us to promote their products. And finally, we linked our e-commerce store where we sell our affiliate products and services. Do you see the power of YouTube? The secret to creating a successful YouTube channel is to create content on a regular basis over a long period of time. And that's it. If you stick with it for the long haul, you'll eventually reap the rewards of your passive income. By the way, if you'd like to see a full case study where we show you how we built our YouTube channel to 100,000 subscribers in 5 months, you can find the case study in the description. And if you're wondering how much you can earn with YouTube, well, to answer your question, we decided to create a video that shows how much YouTube paid us for 1 million views. To see the video, click on the left that's showing on the screen, or click on the right video YouTube thinks you'll enjoy.